Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel payment on Google Play. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. So if you want to cancel payment on your Google Play, maybe you just accidentally buy or subscribe to app or something on Google Play and now you want to cancel it, it's very simple. First of all, you can open your Google Play Store, of course. And from here, you can select on your profile on the up left right corner here. You can choose on payment and subscriptions. There is an option subscriptions. You can select on that. You can choose on the payment or subscription that you want to cancel. This one, for example, Discord. There is an option cancel subscription. You can just select on that on cancel subscription like this. Cancel subscription. Your subscription will be canceled at the end of your billing period on December. It won't be charged anymore. You can select on cancel. And you have canceled the subscription, the payment. It's very simple, right? So that is how to cancel subscription on or payment on Google Play. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.